In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use AI on Squarespace. This is a simple workflow that lets you quickly update the wording on your site using built-in AI writing support. You will follow along with the same places in the editor that you would use for normal text changes, so it should feel familiar as you go. To begin, log into your Squarespace account. Make sure you are signed in to the correct workspace for the site you want to edit, because different sites can exist under the same account. Once you are logged in, take a moment to locate the site you plan to work on, and then open it so you can access the editing tools. Next, open the site editor. In Squarespace, this is where you can click around your page and make changes to the actual content. If you see options like editing or customizing, choose the one that brings you into the live editor view. When the editor loads, you should see your page layout along with toolbars and panels that let you edit elements directly. Now, click on a text block. A text block is any section on the page that contains written content, such as a paragraph, a headline, or a short description. Look for the piece of text you want to change, and then click directly on that text block. When you click, it should become highlighted or show editing handles, which confirms you are selecting the right element. After that, highlight the text you want to change. This step is important because AI works on the specific portion you select. If you highlight only one sentence, only that sentence will be replaced or rewritten. If you highlight a full paragraph, the AI will generate new wording for the whole paragraph you selected. So focus on selecting exactly what you want updated, then confirm the selection is visibly highlighted. Then click the AI icon, which appears in the text toolbar as 3 circles. This is the control that sends your selected text into the AI writing feature. Take a second to ensure you are using the AI option from the text toolbar, not another AI-related area in the editor. Once you click the icon, the AI writing panel should open and show suggestions or generated text based on what you selected. Next, review the AI-generated text. You will typically see a rewritten version that is ready to use. Read it carefully, paying attention to the meaning, tone, and clarity, especially if your text is describing services, pricing, or key benefits. Since AI can vary the phrasing, you should make sure the result still matches your intent and any important details on the page. Finally, click Apply to replace the original text, or click Discard to revert. If you like the AI-generated version, apply it, and you will see the text update immediately in the editor. If you are not satisfied, discard it, and your original highlighted text will remain unchanged. This gives you control, so you can try again if needed and still keep the page looking the way you want. And that covers everything you need to know. You now have a clear, reliable way to use AI to update text in Squarespace, from selecting the text all the way to applying or discarding the generated results. And that is all there is to it.